Oh, she's steaming good. I don't know, maybe it blew a freeze plug out or something. All right, Mopar people, welcome back to the channel. I'm just pressure washing Joe. This won't be a long video, I promise, but I wanted to show you a before so that I can show you an after of how much we can improve this. And yes, my back glass is still missing. I'm gonna be real careful around that so I don't spray any water in there, but for the most part, I'm gonna work her over really good. I degreased under the hood and get it cleaned up before I pull this engine out. So hopefully I'll hang out for that. Watch the Ramcharger Revival Part 2. I hate to do it, but I don't actually hate to do it. I had to do it. This is a little bit of Blue Dawn on a good old terry cloth. I'm gonna get the rest of that black crap off there. It won't take but just a second. And since it's out in the direct sunlight, I'm gonna quickly pressure wash this Blue Dawn off here. Oh yeah. Just certain places you can't get a wash or two, and there's places that you can. It's just not was not cleaning up for me like I liked. See that windshield? There it is. Oh yes. Helps be a little bit taller to do this. No bucket needed. wash that and start back over. But look at that. She's big nasty. Ramcharger revival. Well, here you go. The hood is still wet. That's why it looks so shiny, but it's so much better. I got a little bit of funky stuff here. I can't tell. Maybe that was some old glue or something that ran down. Back here, you can see in my video, pressure wash the dirt out of this, it goes into here. Pressure wash it out of here, it goes into there. And then a lot of times I was having to wash it up that way. But you can actually see through the glass now. I didn't do much back here. I got to put my quilt back on when I put this rig back up. But got a little cancer spots popping through, which that means that it's not caked in Bondo under there for whenever it was painted last time. So that's nice, actually. I don't mind seeing stuff like this because there's not giant chunks of Bondo coming out. I don't know if I'm fixing that or not, but I'm capable. We'll see where the world takes us. The last little bit of sap left on here, I think, was through this fender here a little bit. There's a little bit of darkness there. So 100 more washes and it'll be clean, clean, clean. But she's getting so much better. He had some straps on the back, and I can feel the scratches when I run my hand over it. But that mic could be buffed out. I run over it with a little bit of 3000 and buff it. There's a long scratch there. She's a clean old girl. Hopefully this video wasn't too long. It's just washing a Ramcharger, but you don't get to wash a 86 Ramcharger every day. I believe that's what I saw. And when we come back, we'll start disassembly. I appreciate y'all watching, and I'll catch you next time.